everybody. It is, oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying this, Veganuary day 27. After today, there's only 4 videos left. I almost made it. Alright, so today we are going to be doing a kind of a interesting recipe. I think it's very interesting because this is from a website called Broccoli Mom, and Mom is spelled M-U-M because it's from the UK.com. And I got their digital cookbook for Christmas, and it's basically eating by calorie density. So you can eat huge portions because everything you're eating is low calorie. Like the red beans and rice that we had the other day. You can eat a lot of it because it's fairly low calorie. So this one today is from her latest cookbook. She has a few cookbooks on her website, but the one that I got came out on December 23rd, my anniversary with my husband. So I had to get it, right? So this one is for I believe it's healthy cheesecake, but the healthy part is chickpeas. I hope it's good. I haven't tried it yet. I'm trying it today. This is the first recipe that I'm trying from this cookbook, so fingers crossed that it's going to be delish. It has a crust and it has a filling, so let's start by making the crust. I will leave a link in the info box below in case you're interested in checking out this cookbook. So let's go over to the food processor. Alright, so we got my janky food processor here. We're going to start off with 3/4 a cup of chickpeas. We're going to guesstimate. Oh, too bad it's not the whole thing, but we'll figure out something to do with those chickpeas. So that is that. We are also using, if I could ever get the jar open.
Struggle.
Got it. Struggle. I have some beautiful Flavins oats. Love them. We're using 1/2 cup of oats. Yeah, it was a little bit more. And we're also using 3 medjool dates that I just put in the microwave with like a tablespoon of water to revive them a little bit because they've been in my fridge for a while. We're using 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. That's like that much. We're also putting in a little splash of vanilla. And we're putting in just a pinch of salt. Yeah, spaceship, thank you. What is the new thing that you call UFOs? UAPs?
UAPs, I believe, yes.
UAPs are for real! Alright. Now this is the crust. So I'm going to put my top on. I'm going to mix it up and then we're going to press it. I have a pie plate over there. This is a no-bake recipe. So I'm not going to clean out my food processor because after we press this down into the plate and put it in the freezer, I'm going to mix the filling in there. So let's get a little spatula and press down. Basically, it's like making a graham cracker crust, but with healthy stuff. You're never going to know the chickpeas are in there. Right? I hope not. I mean, we've had chickpea cookies before. We've had chickpea other stuff before. And it's not bad. So I'm hoping that this is going to be just as good. Okay, that was pretty quick and painless. Ow, just kidding. So I'm going to pop this in the freezer and then we're going to make our filling. Okay, so we're ready to make the filling and my husband's getting nauseous over here because he's looking at these plantains that I let go super ripe, which are still fine. I pre-cooked these in the microwave, so that's why they look a little sad, a lot sad. So This is what's going to sweeten the filling. So you can show this. People won't be getting sick.
Yes, they
at it.
will.
No, they won't. So I cook these. They said to slit the plantain down the back and just cook it in the microwave. So I let these cool, obviously, so I wouldn't burn my hands. But we're using these, and we're also using a package of tofu. They said use silken tofu. I didn't have that, so I'm using extra firm. It's the same stuff. So I've got my plantains. Why are you showing me? Show what I'm doing.
No.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna get it all out of there. All right. So let me just wash my hands and then we'll go over to the food. We're ready. So here is the tofu. I'm gonna break this up first. Sure hope this is gonna be good. It looked good on the YouTube video when she made it. She looked like it was tasty, so.
Did she have plantains like that?
Yeah. Well, goes all over. Be careful. Putting that in, and then a little bit of vanilla.
Glug, glug, glug.
Yeah. Maybe a little more. And then I think the only other ingredient, let me just check.
It's cheesecake.
A pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter powder, which I have right here. Not gonna measure, just gonna wing it. I might need a little more. All right, so I got that. Spaceship incoming, UAP incoming.
Good thing it has that light.
I know, I love that. That's the best part of it.
In case you're salting things in the dark. It's
yeah.
Very helpful.
Well, you never know when you're going to be eating stuff in the dark that needs salt. All right, keep your fingers crossed, kids. This might take a little bit. Got it all mixed up. We had to scrape it down a little bit just to get it all going. But I think it looks
pretty good.
Pretty good. Dare I taste it first?
No.
You don't think I should?
No.
Well, we're going to put this in here, and we're going to let it freeze for like a couple of hours. She said you could also drizzle some vegan dark chocolate on the top. I think we're going to have to do that.
Okay.
I can't. You want to taste it?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.
I'll have some later.
All right. Well, I don't need to bore you with this. I'll just do my thing. All right. My cat was just singing a little opera over there.
Yeah.
All right. So here it is.
Oh.
Semi-frozen. We got a little bit of chocolate here because we're going to make a ganache to drizzle over the top. I'm just going to pop that in the microwave for like 30 seconds, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm slopping it up. Slopping it up. My husband said I could have just used some chocolate syrup, but he's right. He's always right. He married me, didn't he? Oh, damn, that's hot. Oh. All right, so...
Blob.
Yeah, you know what? I'm just going to do this. Why not? It didn't quite go as planned, but who cares? Let's just make a bigger mess.
Just use your hands.
All right, let's cut it up. Mmm, delicious. I'm just going to wash my hands.
Okay. I'll just focus on this
All right, good.
Cheesecake.
Okay. Is that what we're going with? Is it a cheesecake?
Oh, yes.
Or is it a tofu cake?
Cheesecake.
All right, so I ran the stats on this. Oh, this part's really frozen. Ugh. I probably should have used a sharper knife.
Yeah.
1/8 of this
Go.
is just over 200 calories. So. Oh.
Oh. Wait.
All right. You get more.
You?
All right, you don't have to watch me serve them. All right, it's time for the truth telling. It cut pretty nicely. The first piece is always a sacrifice. You should know that. What do you think?
It says obstacle course.
It's not bad.
Right?
Yeah.
It's not the best and it's not the worst.
No.
But I feel like if you're looking for a dessert and you don't want to, what?
I wish the plantains were maybe a little less ripe.
Okay.
What?
Why, you think it's too sweet?
There's too much real plantainy flavor. I don't know.
What do you know of plantains?
They look like bananas.
I know, but they don't taste like bananas.
But, you know, you wouldn't know it was chickpea and
Tofu and...
Yeah.
Right? So if you're looking for a sweet treat
Yeah.
and you don't want to eat non-vegan and you don't want to eat 1,000 calories in a slice.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. We made it. Looks like we made it. I already tried it. It's delicious. Sean, you want to try this? Let's see what Sean thinks of this. Sit up, please.
Sit up.
Come on, sit up.
No, sit up.
All right, there you go.
No one's coming.
Could you please try some and tell me if it's bad or good? Sean? All right, pause your computer for a second and...
No!
Sean, can you please try the cake? Oh my God! Is it good or bad? Okay. He stabbed the... Did you see? He stabbed the piece of cake and... Okay. Yeah. All right, so guys, give it a shot. It's cheesecake for weight loss. It's pretty good. Here you go, sir. All right. Thanks for watching Veganuary Day 27. We'll be back on Day 28. And until then, much love.